What is going on, my friends on the internet? Wallace here with an Android development tutorial video. Graphs and charts are very beneficial in the application because they can summarize and also display information in a manner that's easy for most people to comprehend. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to integrate a pie chart into an Android application activity, so you can also make those boring numbers back to life again. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Here we have the project created already. In this application, we're going to use an open source library called AChartEngine, which you can download by following the link under the video description down below. Here we're just going to copy, and then go to project, app, lib, and go ahead and paste it. Click OK, and then we should have the library ready. Okay. Now we need to go to source, main, and Java. Here's we're going to create the Java class. It's called a pie graph. Just click OK, and here's where we're going to put all our code. Now we're just going to go ahead and implement it. Let's create a method called getGraphicalView. So you can see that we have an error here. That's because we need to sync before you can use the library that we just added. Now it should be okay. Okay, context. Large slide, medium slide. Large slide if you're hungry, and tiny slide if you're on a diet. Okay, let's create a series. Let's call it Yummy Pie. Now we need to have an integer array for the portions. Large slide, medium slide, and tiny slide. And we need to create series names. Let's call it large, medium, and tiny. Tiny. Okay, so the number of slides is 3. Now we need to go to the for loop. In each iteration of the for loop, we need to add series name and portion. That's it. Now we need to have a default renderer and also a temporary simple series renderer. We're gonna initialize it to null first. Now we have an integer array of colors, RGB, red, green, and blue. Let's go through the for loop again. Okay, and initialize the temporary simple series renderer and set the color. And add simple renderer to the default renderer. Now we just need to return the pie chart that we just created. Alright, we're done here. That's all we have for the Java file. And go to the XML file now. Here we are going to create a linear layout. Just match parents. And we don't need that. Let's give it a name first. Call pie graph. And also we need another name for this as well. Let's call it hello world. So we can put it under the hello world. Just below hello world. And we also need to get the orientation to horizontal and center it to true. Okay, that's all we have. And now we need to go to main activity.java file. First of all, we need to create we need to create an instance of the pie graph on the Java class that we just created. Let's call it Yumify and call the function that we just created. And each corresponding to the size of the slide. 3, 2, 1 corresponding to large, medium, and tiny. And now we need to create another instance of the linear layout that we just created in the XML file. And add the view. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, let's run it. Let's hope that you compile and run. Da-da-da-da. Okay, here's our simulator. Now we just need to wait for it to boot. Starting apps. Okay. Okay, here's our chart. Looks delicious, right? So we have different sizes for the slides, small, medium, and large. Let's go through the code again to demonstrate what we just coded. So first we added the library, and then we created a Java file called PyGraph, and we just implemented the Java file. In the end, we just returned the PyGraph. Now we also went to the XML file to create the linear layout, and at the end we went to the main activity Java file. Thank you so much for watching the video. Everything I've covered today is also on my blog. The link is under the video description down below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you learned something today, then please like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.